stigma surrounding leprosy remains one of India's most persistent human rights challenges, rooted in centuries-old myths, fear, and misinformation. The Supreme Court's recent intervention to address discriminatory provisions against persons affected by leprosy marks a long overdue corrective step. Acting on the court's direction, the National Human Rights Commission (NHRC) found that 97 central and state laws still contain discriminatory clauses. These outdated legal provisions restrict access to public transport, public spaces, employment opportunities, business licenses, and even the right to contest elections. The petitions before the court highlighted how such legal barriers continue to marginalize individuals, even though modern medicine has changed the reality of the disease. Leprosy, caused mainly by Mycobacterium leprae, is one of the world's oldest documented infections, with evidence tracing back to 2000 BC. Despite global progress, India still accounts for nearly 57% of all new leprosy cases worldwide. Factors such as genetic susceptibility and poor living conditions increase vulnerability, but timely treatment can completely cure the disease and render it non-infectious. Recognizing this, the NHRC has been pursuing the issue since 2021, releasing a detailed document recommending early detection, prompt medical intervention, rehabilitation, and removal of discriminatory laws to ensure dignity and equality for affected persons. The Commission also urged the Union government to enact legislation replacing derogatory terminology still present in existing statutes. A notable recommendation was to encourage iris-based Aadhaar enrollment, as leprosy-related nerve damage often affects fingerprints. Given scientific advancements and the curable nature of leprosy, it is unacceptable that archaic and exclusionary laws remain in force. Such laws reflect a mindset from an era when the disease was poorly understood. The Supreme Court has now directed states and union territories to file reports on corrective measures taken to eliminate these provisions. Equipped with the NHRC's detailed findings, the centre and states must urgently revise discriminatory laws, implement rehabilitative measures, and promote awareness to dismantle prejudices embedded in society. In a modern democratic republic committed to equality, it is both unjust and irrational to allow outdated legal frameworks to trap a section of citizens in the shadows. Eliminating these provisions and fostering dignity and inclusion is not merely a legal obligation but a moral imperative.